So, hello everyone, I'm Yash Mahajan, third year diploma in computer engineering student at Government Polytechnic Pune, and I've done my implant training from Dhrumi Technologies from Aurangabad, and I have created a project named as Ultimate Gamification by being there. So, what in this video, what I will do is I will explain you everything about this project, and I will tell you whatever things I have used to create this project. So first of all, you should know why this project was required or why I chose to create this project. This is an individual project that I created, and it was my own choice to create it. So first of all, if you will see the corporate world, then you know it is full of employees. Many engineers are graduated every year, and they search for job, and many of them get placed too, and they get into some company. So not everyone is well paid, not everyone gets the salary that they deserve, or not everyone is enjoying their corporate life as they should. As The thing is, the satisfaction is the factor which gets missed by the employees that are working in the corporate world. So there are many ways to tackle this problem. So one is we can promote the employees regular on the regular basis for their good performance. Second option is the people that are not working properly can be issued the memo. But the problems with these two things are, first is we cannot promote everyone for their performance. Means suppose everyone is working hard, then everyone cannot be promoted, right? And it can create internal politics among the people. And second thing is, we cannot issue memo on the regular basis because it will it will harm the spirit of the employee and it will demotivate them. But what about gamification? So suppose there is an organization which pays you the regular salary, but apart from the regular salary, according to your consistency and the performance, it extra pays you in form of some other currency. And this some other currency can be used to buy the products that are available in the stock that the company provides. Isn't it the great idea that can at least create a better environment in any organization and increase the output of employees in a positive way? So I think it is a good idea. So I thought to create this project of ultimate gamification. So what is this project? Let us see one by one. So first of all, I will tell you in short what concepts I have used. So for front end, I have used HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. For client side scripting, I have used JavaScript. For server side scripting, I have used Laravel framework of PHP. And apart from this, for backend implementation, I have used MySQL. So if we will see here, this is the home page with carousel. Here you can see the tagline, work with fun, learn to earn. Means our motto is to make everyone work with fun. They should not be stressed while working, but they should have fun in their work because they ultimately know that they are going to get something which is way more than means which is going to appreciate their work that they have done. Okay. So suppose now I will this is the nav bar, which is fixed nav bar. It has various options, and this is the logo of ultimate gamification. If I click on about section, see, this is the history of ultimate gamification. Means every website must have some front end. So I have also created the front end for this website, and this is the basic thing, basic section of about which explains about the website. Then this is the vision and mission that we hold. Then the current status. Our current status is this: four hard workers that provide active services to clients. So four workers are nothing but the group members that my team has. Means our group has four members, and this is the four hard workers. Then 22 happy clients. These are random numbers, all right. And here I have used transition, and time and transition duration is also provided. So accordingly it changes changes the look of the boxes. Later the services are provided here. Means services section tells us about the services that our website is going to provide. Basically, these services are not so means connected to the ultimate gamification, but these are related to the UG Mart that you can see here. We will see it later. Later, call to action. So in call to action, we have just placed a button and we are going to add actions to it later. Then how to use the ultimate gamification app? Web application. So what is it about? So this is the introductory part which tells you about the ultimate gamification, who can participate in it. It tells the criteria and the constraints that are required for to be the participant of the ultimate gamification. Then can anyone be best at it? Means it is like a manual for the users who want to be good at it. Later, how to use it. So in it there are things that will let you know how to use it exactly. Later, what can you get? So it tells you about the assets that you can buy, or better liabilities that you can buy through this ultimate gamification. Currency that are coins which can be used to buy things. Later, this is the team that I hold. Means these are three random picks and this is my pick. I just added it. Later, these are the frequently asked questions related to it, and this is the contact section of ultimate gamification website. Apart from this, you can mail us, like you can open the mail and mail us directly. Now we will see about it and we will see the back end of it. So suppose I'm an admin and I have logged in as admin. Okay, see, so I am admin and I have logged in as admin. So it will provide me the data of my current status and also provide me with some privileges. So first of all, I have kept these earn points, redeem points and balance points here, so it will be way clearer for viewers to understand the working and mechanism. So earn points are the total points that have been earned by the user or the employee throughout the lifetime. Redeem points are the points that have been used by the employee throughout its lifetime, and the difference between them is the balance points. But here you can see the difference because no, it's actually right. But if you will see the difference here, it can not actually exist, but it may cause ambiguity if you directly add the points through the database. But I think such ambiguity does not occur. So suppose here are the options: activities, activity rules, scores, and products. So suppose activities. So if I am an admin and I want to add an activity according to which the employee is going to get the um, appreciation or coins. So attendance is one of the criteria. Activity means the criteria on whose basis the points are going to be redeemed to the employee. So attendance is one of the criteria. If the person is salesman, then sales is one of the criteria. Then quality is also the criteria if you are in R&D or something like that. Later, crucial performance is also there. So this is something randomly added by me. Then you can add new activity and you can edit it too. Suppose I have to edit it, I will show you. Suppose ABC. So you can see here that we have edited the data. Later you can see activity rules. So in activity rules, what we are going to do is we have to add the rules for the particular factor. We have to add rules for the particular factor, like for attendance. Attendance was one of our activities. So for attendance, what are going to be the rules according to which the points are going to be provided to the user? So if attendance is between 80 to 90%, here operator specifies that it should be between 80 to 90%, then points that are going to be given are 5 points. Later, attendance between 90.1 to 95% will be awarded with 10 points, and these are the conditions. And what are the provided details here? So you can see, you can give the name of activity rule. Here activity is enlisted. It is the select option with buttons, sorry, it is the select tag with options in it, and these options are the one which are added in the form of activities. Later minimum and maximum score and operator, and the points that are going to be awarded if this condition is satisfied. Later we will keep it saved because it is already there. Then if you see the scores, then you can add scores here. Okay, means suppose I want to add score here. Activities attendance, all right. User ID is Yash Mahajan, means I have logged in and I am going to add the data for myself, means I am going to add points for myself. Later suppose my attendance is 99. All right, this is the percent attendance, means attendance in the form of percentage. See, so here attendance is added. Here pagination issue is there because I have not given the fixed height for this icon, so it will be seen later. But suppose now if I go to home, then what will happen? See, 165 points were balanced points, and 1065 points were earned points. So 15 points are the points that I earned, and which increased my balance points and earned points too. Later, uh, products. So in products, all we can do is we can add products that can be redeemed. So that can be purchased through the coins. So suppose, hmm, huh. So suppose if I log in as a general user, like I can take any name. See, he has no point, so it is not so not so good fact to take him as the user right now, but we will take someone who has some points, right? So I just logged in here, and the redeem points are 0, balance points are 1010, earn points are 1010, and this is of course the leaderboard that we have. Later, suppose if I get into this page and I open UGMart, right? So this is the front end of the UGMart website. It also has the carousel and some taglines. Later, about a section is there which tells the history, vision and mission, and current status of the company. Later, why to choose us, these are the points for choosing us. Then services that we provide to you, these are the services that were also mentioned in the ultimate gamification, but these are more practically implemented in this website. All right, then these are the featured wardrobe products that we have. Like if we take wardrobe, then these are the wardrobe products. Tech gadgets are also there, and apart from this, trending products are also there. All right. So after this, if you will see here, then all you have to do is you have to visit UGMart because you have already logged in, right? So if you will see, I have just added one product as I have shown you in that product list of admin section. So if I click on redeem here, I will not be able to redeem the product. The reason behind it is because I have insufficient stock. So what I will do is I will simply go to products. I know the quantity is 0, right? So I will just change it to 1. Okay, now quantity is 1, right? So now if I will redeem my points, then see product redeemed successfully, right? And where will this product get stored, means the feature of add to cart is here or not, it shall be your question. So it is there, it will be stored in the database in the points table, right? So let me show you the database. It will be more it will be better for you to understand it through the database too, because I have shown you in the front end, but if it is shown in the back end, then it will be way more reliable. So suppose this is the gamification, this is the gamification database, and it has various tables, right? hmm. So suppose I have shown you the users in the front end, and you can see them in the back end too, like Yash Mahajan, Vishal Patil, Ram, Krishna Yadav, Shiv Shankar, Sham Patil, Om Mahajan. These are the names. Later, if you will see the scores are being added to. See, there is an issue with my database. One of its table has been corrupted. I have to solve the issue. But apart from this, you can see here. Later, activities that we have added are also there. Attendance, sales, quality, ABC, crucial performance, and more importantly, I will show you about the points. So you can see here. So what I did in front of you is I just added the attendance for Yash, and it gave 15 points to us, and then I redeemed the points from Vishal, right? And according to it, the things happened. But apart from this, um, the more important fact is that in points table it is specifically the relationships are specifically used so that it won't get it won't create an ambiguity among the users and their point and their redeem points. So in this way, I have created the website for ultimate gamification, and it is easy to use, and it has a simple yet effective front end, which can be used by anyone, any administrator, without having the true knowledge of SQL or database management system. So you don't have to fire the queries actually for performing anything, but you are directly doing it, and it reduces your manual work, and accordingly you do the things. So I hope whatever I have explained it got clear to you, but I would like to summarize everything. I would like to summarize everything to you in one or 2 minutes. Huh. So again, I will explain you. So this is the ultimate gamification website. In this ultimate gamification website, I have created home page with 3 carousel images. Later, I have created about section here, and their current status means our company's current status. Then services that we provide, call to action section is created. Then how to use the application means it is the form of manual that can allow you to use the application efficiently. Later, our team means this is my team. These are the random 3 images, and it is my image. Later, there are frequently asked questions here that I thought people would ask, right? Then this is the contact section, and these are the links that are added to contact section, right? Then I have already logged in here, but suppose I log out, right? So here are two options: login and register. You can register your name and everything too. Like suppose if we click on register, abc abc@gmail.com. Like I have registered here, and you can see my name here, abc, right? So this is my name, which has been added, means this is not my name, but this is the name of the user, and he has been added to our list. Later what I will do is I will log out here, right? Then after this you can log in. Suppose if I log in as a admin, and I have options as, means first of all I have to add the credentials, means verify the credentials. Later here you can see the earn points, that are the points earned throughout the lifetime, redeem points, that are the points used throughout the lifetime, and this is the arithmetic difference between these 2 points, right? Later this is the leaderboard, and these are the privileges that are provided to the admin: attendance, sales, quality, crucial performance. These are the various criterions on whose basis the rules are going to be made. These are the rules according to which points are going to be granted. Here you can add the particular performance of the particular employee, and uh, accordingly the coins will be awarded to the employee. And these are the products that are available in the stock that can be redeemed, or better you can say that these are the products that we provide for the users who have the ultimate gamification coins, right? Later if I go and access my UGMart, right? So UGMart is here, and if I visit UGMart, then you can see I have only added one product. These are static cards that I have created, but this one is a completely dynamic card. And similarly, all I have to do is I have to add the data in database. By for loop it will automatically create other cards accordingly. So if I redeem here, see, it will show insufficient stock, right? So what to do now? So all I will do is I will go to products, all right? And suppose if I increase the quantity to 1, okay, and now if I go and purchase something, I have insufficient balance. So see, all the criterions, all the criterias are viewed accordingly, so that we get the best possible output. Like, what is our balance? 180 points. This is the balance that we have. And what is the required balance? It is 300 points. So accordingly, we are going to use this ultimate gamification website. I hope the idea of ultimate gamification website is clear to all the users. And thank you and have a nice day.